Good afternoon, dear children. Today we're going to study about the rotating or flipping a picture. Okay, for that purpose, first we want to select the picture. Okay, so I am going to select rectangular selection. Click and drag. Selected. Okay, then I want to come here. Can you see this? Rotate option here. I want to click the down arrow. Then there is rotate right at 90 degree. It means it will rotate like this. I will show you. I am going to click it. Now rotate at 90 degree. The next is one rotate right at 90 degree again. If you click, can you see this? Rotate again and right. Can you see this? Okay, this is the first one. The next rotate left to 90 degree. Can you see this? Again. Okay, then rotate 180 degree. Can you see this? Yeah, it will be like this. Then next is flip vertical. Okay, now we studied how to rotate. The next one is flip vertical. Okay, the next is flip horizontal. Okay, I hope you understood. Next we want to study transparent selection. Okay, so I'll show you. You know, first we want to select. We know we study a lot of different types of selections. Okay, here you can see the transparent selection also, right? Okay, so I'll show you. First we are using the normal selection. Okay, first I am going to click rectangular selection, then I am going to select it. Okay, now it's selected. Then I want to cut the image from there and I want to paste here. Okay, I want to cut the image from here and I want to paste here. Okay, now this much space selected, so I'm going to cut it. For that I'm going here. Can you see one cut option? Okay, so I want to cut. It's already cut. The next I want to paste here. Okay, for that there is, you can see one paste option. Can you see that? Paste. Okay, so the cutted portion, that portion that we cut, that came here. Okay, then I want to paste it. Paste means I want to move this picture from here to here. It's very simple. Just place your mouse pointer here, click left button, press the left button and just drag and place here. Okay, then just click outside. Right, now we cut the picture and paste here using the rectangular selection. Okay, now you can see one white color, but when we cut from here the background was white. Okay, the background was white, so when I cut that picture, the background also come with it. The next one I am just changing to initial stage. Control set. Okay, next we are going to select the transparent. Now we are going to use the transparent selection. For that purpose, you just come here, select down arrow, and here you can see the transparent selection. Left click. Okay, just place it. Can you see one tick came here? Now it's in the transparent selection mode. Then I want to select it. Okay, sorry, control Y, control Y. Okay, then yeah, I want to select and transparent selection is there. Okay, then I want to select it. Okay, then I want to cut it. Cut, then paste. Okay, then we can move it. Okay, press the left button of the mouse and just move and place here. Now can you see? Where is the white background? It's not there. Okay. So when we use the normal selection, the background will come with. Okay, the background will come with the picture. Then if we are using transparent selection, the picture only will come here. Okay, I hope you understood.